Binance has announced in a new announcement that it will be removing 11 trading pairs, including some Fusionist and BOME pairs. The news has sparked much speculation about the impact of these changes on the price of these tokens. The trading pairs reportedly removed from the exchange include AC B2C, ACM Tri, BOME B2C, DYM B2C, MTL Tri, Pixel BNB, Pixel FDUSD, QKC B2C, RAD B2C, Res FDUSD, and TUSD Tri. Binance, however, stressed that the underlying assets will still be available in other spot trading pairs. Users are also urged to cancel or update their spot trading bots to avoid potential losses. The impact of the removal of these pairs on token prices has varied. For example, Fusionist rose 4% to $2.157, while ACM also rose 4% to $1.634. BOME also rose 5% to $0.0065, with a market cap of $450 million. Dimension rose 6% to $1.50, and Metal also rose 6%. Pixel also rose 4.6% to 16 cents. Radorex and Renzo both rose 2% to $1.256 and $0.036, respectively. Quarkchain fell 12%. In the past, Binance delistings have had a significant impact on their performance. For example, MAVIA fell 28%, OMG Network fell 15%, and Barnbridge fell 80%. These cases show that token removals typically lead to panic selling, reduced liquidity, and long-term price declines. However, Binance has stated that it is taking these actions with the aim of improving market quality.